Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we're going to be working is 12 and 13. Build the Eleanor from ground in 60 seconds. You may notice a warning sign at the start of the video. It's because I make a slightly small mistake and that I will fix as the video goes on. So enjoy. First up, we got kit number 43. And we just got 2 plates and some screws, but those plates need to go on our chassis. So these plates are labeled left and right. So, but these just clip on like here with 2 DS screws each. So now those panels are in, and that is kit number 43 complete. And then we got kit number 44. So here we have 3 shafts to make up the steering rack, and these are metal. This rack is positioned like so, with this piece going like so, and that is held in with a DS02 screw, like so, and then we take this end and that, then we line it up like that. Then we line it up like that with this piece going like that, and the kink on end facing down on both ends. That is also held in with a DS02 screw, like so. And then we need this wheel from kit number 6, and that just goes on like that, and it's held in with a DS04 screw. Then we need the wheel from kit number 9, that goes on like that, also with a DS04 screw. And with that, kit number 44 is complete. Then we have kit number 45. We take the steering rack and put this on here. That is held in with a DS04 screw, like so. Then we put that to the side. Then we move on to the chassis and put this guy into place with a PS05 screw from the other side. Then we have 2 anti-sway brackets, and they have different part numbers, but effectively they are identical, and they are not labeled or marked. So just put them, one in here and the other one in here. These just attach with a DS02 screw, one each from the other side. Like so, and that is kit number 45 complete. Then we have kit number 46. So here we have the anti-sway bar, which is a single piece of plastic that just drops in also. I may have done a mistake because these brackets should face inwards. Okay, now that is all fixed, we can take our plastic again, and that just goes in like that. And then we put a pin in the one side and another one in here. Okay, those pins are finally in. Then we need some PS08 screws. In here and here. And now we take our wheels, slide them under, and the upper wheel mount brackets go on like that. Actually, the lower wheel mount, and those are held in with one each of a DS04 screw. And with that, kit number 46 is complete, and therefore issue number 12 is complete. So just be careful because they're only held in from the bottom. So be careful moving it until we go to the next issue and put the rest of the supports in. We start with kit number 47. Like last time, these have different part numbers but appear on all sides to be identical, and they are not marked. Same with brackets, but these just go like so, and are held in with a pin. Do the same with the other one. Then we got two complete upper mounting arms, and those arms are held with two DS02 screws to the frame. wheel is held on with DS04 screws. Okay, after a little trial and error, I have put the steering system in the correct way with the steering rack going into the nuts in here, the damper into here, and with the mounting arms facing downwards. So now we can put the other arm in place. Again, DSO2 screws in here and the DSO4 screws in here. And like so. That is the front steering arms all in place and the suspension arms, and that is kit 47 complete. So next up we got kit 48, which is the left exhaust, and that fits into here, and that is held in with 2 PS05 screws from the other side, like so. There's a screw here and one over there, and that is kit number 48 complete. Now we get kit number 49, which is exactly the same. So that is in here and here, and you put a PS05 screw in here, and another PS05 screw goes into here. And that is kit number 49 complete, which means the chassis is done for now. I know we're gonna add maybe some kind of engine, but the chassis and suspension is done. And now we got kit number 50, and that is the front interior floor, which comes carpeted or felted from the factory. So now we just put the nitro switch into here, and the shift gator in here. Then we put the shift lever in here, and that attaches with a PS09 screw from underneath. And with that, kit number 50 is complete. And that is issue number 13 complete. So now we're gonna start building onto the interior in the next issues, and And yes, I got felt all over my hand. But thanks for watching, and see you next time.